2.1111 whole square divided by 7.1111 into 2.1111. So how to solve this? So here we are going to solve. We can just use that formula a into b whole square can be written as a square into b square. So by using this property we can write this as 5 square into 1111 square divided by 7 into 1111, then 2 into 1111. So that will be 5 square into 1111 square divided by 7 into 2, 111 into 1111. So now we can write 5 square into 1111 whole square divided by 7 2s are 14, and here it can be written as 1111 whole square. This and this will get cancelled. So 5 5 it is 25 and it is 14. So the answer will be 25 by 14.